responsible for over 1,200 miles of road. We're around 70 trucks to maintain these roads. This year, things have been going pretty good with the numbers we have.
The roads are divided up into levels of importance, starting with the trunk lines, the in routes, the multi-lane primary roads, then down to the two-lane primary roads, down to the local primary roads, and then to the subs and gravels.
We have our own brine making machine. The brine making machine will take water with this salt, combine the two to come up with a certain concentration. It then filters that out into a tank. Our other tank, we have calcium chloride with boost material in there. The actual brine maker machine will take the two different liquids. We have those set at an 80%, 20% ratio. It'll mix those two at that ratio. When an operator pulls in their truck that's equipped with the saddle tanks, they'll hook the hose in and it will fill their tanks with that material. You're at work during the time when everybody else is at home sleeping or relaxing, but the satisfaction to that is just you're helping people get to where they need to go.
Make sure you give them space and not get right close to the plow trucks.
When it's cleaned off, and then it even starts to dry out. It's satisfying to know everybody's gonna be safe on the roads and everything's cleaned up. Family travels these roads and neighbors, so we want to get them clean.